How to reinstall Windows 11. So in order for you to reinstall Windows 11, you'll need to first of all reset your Windows so that you can reinstall it later on. So let me show you. What you need to do is head over to the search bar on the bottom, search for settings, and once you are inside of the settings page inside of Windows 11, head over to system, and right here you need to scroll down until you see the section called recovery. Inside of recovery, click on the reset PC option. Now there are two things that you can do, which is the keep my files or remove everything. So if you do want to keep your files and remove only the apps and settings, click on the first option. But if you want to do a complete format of your PC of Windows, you can just click on the second option. For this video, I'm just going to select the first one. And right here again, you'll have two options. Either you can reinstall or re-download the Windows from cloud, which is going to be online. So for that, you make sure that you have an internet connection and Wi-Fi turned on. If not, you can also choose the second option, which is going to be the local reinstall. Click on next again. And there you go. These are all of the applications that are going to be removed once you click on format. So if you do agree, you just need to click on reset. And once the process completes, the Windows will also automatically get reinstalled. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like. That's pretty much all for this one. I'm going to see you in the next video.